How do you defrost a frozen lobster?
Hello there, seafood enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the world of frozen lobsters and how to prepare them properly. Defrosting a frozen lobster can seem daunting, but with a few simple steps, you can ensure your lobster is ready for cooking while maintaining its delicious taste.
Why proper defrosting is important.
Understanding the importance of proper defrosting is crucial when handling frozen lobster. Incorrect defrosting can lead to loss of flavor, texture, and even safety concerns. We aim to thaw our lobster slowly to preserve its quality and ensure that it's safe to eat.
Getting ready for defrosting.
Before you begin, make sure you have a large bowl, a refrigerator, and patience. You're going to need all three. Take your lobster out of the freezer and leave it in its original packaging. If it's not packaged, place it in a Ziploc bag, pushing out as much air as possible.
The refrigerator thawing method.
Now, it's time to defrost. Place your packaged lobster in the large bowl and then into the refrigerator. The bowl is there to catch any leaks and to prevent cross-contamination. The lobster should defrost at a temperature of 37.4 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 degrees Celsius. Typically, it takes about 24 hours of refrigerator defrosting for every 4 pounds of lobster. If your lobster weighs 2 pounds, for example, it'll need about 12 hours.
What if I need a faster method?
Sometimes, we need a faster solution. For those scenarios, you can use a cold water thawing method. Fill your sink or a large bowl with cold water and submerge your sealed lobster in it. Change the water every 30 minutes. Using this method, your lobster should defrost in about 2 to 3 hours for every pound. However, please note that once thawed using this method, your lobster should be cooked immediately to prevent bacterial growth. And that's it. You now know how to defrost a lobster properly. Whether you're planning a luxurious dinner or just satisfying a seafood craving, these steps will ensure that your lobster is safe and delicious to eat. Remember, patience is key. Slow thawing will lead to the best results. Happy cooking!